Okay. Now this is what we are trying to do. This is just the initial setup for the Llama C++. So that one's done. As you can see, I've gone ahead and listed a couple of to-dos over here. I'll just kind of zoom in a bit so that we can quickly go through this. And what we are trying to do is, so I say this is the initial task. It's more of a performance benchmark. So when we say performance benchmark, we are trying to compare some LLM harness and agents. So the LLM harness being, let's say, OpenClaw, and the Llama C++ and the Herms being agents is what I'm presuming. I could probably end up calling Herms also as the LLM harness. So maybe yeah. So you will log all tasks. These will be the instructions. So we are going ahead and giving these instructions, and we will remove this bit. Sorry, this bit we can just remove. So we'll say that you will log all tasks and do all of this, and this is how you'll do this. And this one will be for the OpenClaw. Yeah. So first, let's go and hit the OpenClaw. Reason being because I've been doing this earlier with OpenClaw, and I kind of know how this guy behaves and what he'll do, so to say. So more comfortable here. Let's see. Okay. And he's got DeepSeek as the language model right now. Mm, Earlier, I've been using Anthropic. So when I've been using Anthropic with this one, that was before the rates became exorbitant with Anthropic. So okay, now what does it say? Let me check the root there exists and everything. Fine, change lock is active at okay. Rules for this session. This is the root directory. No get, no dot files. Okay, so it's waiting for the next task. Okay, this is as far as OpenClaw is concerned. Now let's go to Herms, and Herms is what I have not touched till date. So this could be slightly dicey. I'm not sure, but let's see how this behaves. And this is the first time I'm doing this, and I'm doing it live on. Let's see. Uh, where did this one go? What happened? This is weird. Hey there. Hey there is okay, man. What after hey there? Uh-huh. So why does it? Okay, maybe because I left the terminal, it kept on creating those greater than or whatever lesser than symbols in the terminal. Okay, let's see. So it's saying pasted text, and God knows something paste text something. Let's see. Uh-huh. So it's come back with to do root there, preparing search files. God, let me check the current state of things and set up the log. Preparing search files, find something, preparing read file, something. Got it. I can see the log format for the existing OpenClaw log. Let me create the Herms log file with proper entries. Why is he going into OpenClaw's this thing? What does he have to? Again, this guy is too much. Then he says preparing terminal. Okay. Now let me create the log file with the initial entries. Hmm. Review diff. Okay. Uh-huh. So he's logged something. Woke up, user greeted, issued to do, change log created. Okay. Follow same format as the existing. Now, why is he bothered about OpenClaw's log, man? He shouldn't be bothered. That is the problem. This guy is too much bothered about what the other guy is doing. This guy is not doing anything. Look at him. He'll ignore that guy's existence, is what I like over here. But this fellow is. Anyway, so let's go here. And now, obviously, we need to remove the Herms bit of it. And let's see. Okay. Since starting a new message, is there something specific you'd like to talk about? Seems like you're listing tasks. Okay. Is there a specific category or topic for these tasks, or would you like to discuss something in journal? Okay. They were ready to search. Is there a specific platform or tool you're thinking of using? This task log and activity log system. Would you like just some recommendation? Hmm. Okay, I like this. The best part is this is free. Even though it's taking a whole lot of time, this is free. Uh, so he's coming back with a whole lot of things, right? He's saying this is a change log. Hmm. So again, he's added new features to system, changed configuration. This would provide a more. So he's giving me suggestions. What kind of change log would you want? In that case, you want to create a log that appends new entries. Okay. Uh, how you could implement this in Python. So he's even giving me Python code suggestions for a change log. See, he doesn't care. Even I don't care because there's no cost to this. So yeah, please go ahead, make my day. If this was being built somehow, if these tokens were being built, I would have told him to not be so verbose and thank you so much or whatever. Okay, and I don't know whether he'll stop or he won't stop, so we'll just let him do whatever he's doing. Let him be happy. Doesn't matter. Okay, next. So this is now where we get into the plan. So we say, hi, your name is code agent lead, whatever, and your job is to, I've just quickly put this across. And so this is the root directory, and don't go outside the root directory. That is the basic concern that we have. And to make sure that there is no Git repo. So I don't want them to go around looking for a Git repo on my local and start making commits or doing something weird. Okay. So firstly, what we'll do is we'll just give him whatever he needs so that this guy probably takes more time to kind of, get things done. And let's see. Creating a log from the root, da 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 da. Uh-huh. Okay, let him do whatever he is doing. Okay, and we come here and just to make sure there is nothing which is specific to any one of these, right? So should be okay. Let's see. This guy want to observe carefully, but I don't know what he'll do. The rules and confirm. Okay, let me log this, persist the rules and confirm. So he goes into preparing terminal, preparing read file, preparing memory. Okay, now he's come up with memory. He hadn't come up with memory earlier. So memory root directory, strict rules, no code file changes outside root directory, no code changes without user permission, never read. Okay. And he says fine. So why does he keep showing the diff? He shows a diff. Okay, confirmed. I am now code. Okay, he's taken the role orchestrator for the new sub agent team and the strict rule. Okay, fine. So as long as he's holding on to this, let me go and quickly have a look what this guy's up to. The code indeed my primary responsibility to manage or orchestrate the workflow. This includes task management, God, resource allocation. IO. Yeah, okay, obviously. Memory, CPU, network bandwidth, code review, troubleshooting. He'll do everything. He's a good guy. Knowledge sharing. He'll share his knowledge also. Good. I like this. Now let's get back to your project. How can I assist you today? Do you have a specific task or question that you would like to discuss? As the lead for a team of software development sub-agents, my role is to. He's very happy. This guy is going to totally improve. Oh my goodness, he'll improve process and efficiency. He'll do everything in the world. Develop and train. He'll train the sub-agents also. Hmm. Skill development also he'll do. So as far as we are concerned, this guy is the man. Okay. Again, but this fellow also, I haven't really, gone into so much detail till date. So even I'm quite surprised. So I'm not trying to humor anyone. I'm just surprised. That's all. And now, obviously, let him do whatever he's doing, and we'll now go with the same prompt, so to say, to our main guy. Yeah, let's see how he behaves because I have seen him doing wonderful things earlier with the anthropic models. I don't know what it does with DeepSeek, but let's see. Okay, and this is what I like. The terminal interface is very clean and very how should I say this? Even more professional with OpenClaw. That other guy is doing some weird things, man. I don't like it. Herms, sorry, man. I was happy that it is, Python and this and that and whatnot, but I don't like this somehow. I don't know. Maybe there are other configurations to play around with, and I'm just trying to be very critical right now, but I prefer this. Look how nicely he picked up everything. See, rules already persisted from earlier. Yeah, so it has, yeah, so we've done this earlier, so maybe it has kind of gone back into that as a memory and everything, which is fine. Uh, yeah, identity.md. So this has got more structure over here. When you look at this has got more structure. Uh, does he say he's doing memory storage somewhere specific, preparing memory? I don't know. Preparing patch. He's writing a patch to that log, which is fine. Confirmed I am code agent, this thing, strict rules, okay, rules, never read, okay. So, okay. And this guy is going on happily ever after. He doesn't care. Nobody's told him, uh, I don't know, don't even want to read into all of this right now, but yeah, this guy's a happy guy. I don't know how he'll code. No clue about that right now. I never did any coding with this model on local system. Uh, okay. So maybe it depends from model to model. I really don't know. I can't comment. But this is uh, I don't know. Maybe we have to give him strict instructions not to be so verbose. I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, not bothering too much. This is the third version. So I'll obviously have to give them different file paths. So first thing we'll do is we'll go with OpenClaw, and these two we'll just kind of park them here for a bit, and we'll go with OpenClaw first. So what are we saying? Project plan. So I'm saying I'll give you a project plan, and what you need to do is you need to go ahead and create your own directory here and do something with it. And still, there is no plan. There is no concrete coding plan still. So there's just uh, warming up, so to say. So nothing much happening right now. Okay. So let's see. Again, OpenClaw first, and I trust this guy to do something decent. So in the meanwhile, we can just go and copy this one up here and kind of replace. Let's see. And we want llama C++ next. And this what you see on screen might seem like something which is very well planned or whatever, but this is not. When I actually do something with these guys, I do a whole lot of other things. Okay, now come on, man. I know you'll ensure a lot of things, but like, God, I know what. With the control C, this guy, I don't know again what is happening. I did a control V, but I don't know. Again, this guy is a bit of a hassle. Okay. Now, coming here. I just hope this guy doesn't go and do something else in somebody else's directory. Besides that, I think he's okay. He seems to be harmless. Okay, now the fellow I'm slightly bothered about, the Hermes. The Hermes agent. Uh-huh. Let's see. Now what happens? So this is to do 3, yeah. And understood. Let me log, persist, and create the plan file. Okay, started creating the plan file. Yeah. Preparing memory, preparing read file, naming convention. Okay. Mm, mm. It's writing to that markdown, and it is also showing you the diff, the actual diff. Uh-huh. Which is okay, but like, I don't know. This is kind of what happens with the yeah, when you think about it, this is kind of what happens with the Cloud Code. Okay, each sub-agent executes assigned tasks. Okay, because obviously they don't even have tasks right now, but it has gone and planned ahead and saying, yeah, so this will happen, this kind of thing will happen, which is fine. Uh, so again, it got the flow quite properly. That I'll give the plan, it'll create this thing, it'll go ahead and get approvals. Perfect. Hmm. Okay, and now to the main guy. See, the main guy, he's very specific and he's to the point. This is what I love about him. This is like, I don't know how this happens. And if they're accessing the same DeepSeek model, and even if it is not accessing the same DeepSeek model, I think this guy is accessing DeepSeek chat model and not the Pro. And that one's got the Pro. That is a much better model. But with everything said and done, I like what this guy is doing. Hmm. See, he's saying ready for. He just came back with this, nothing else. Ready for overall plan. So, and this fellow, I'm sure he'll be tasked to surveillance team. Hmm. So obviously he's asking questions, right? So this one is doing its own reasoning, doing its own understanding of things and everything. See, he's got something compliance with the rules, monitoring system, implement penalties or rewards, reinforcement learning or what, boss? Well, anyway, it's thinking a lot. It's doing something. I can't even follow. Don't have the patience to follow through this. I think I'll just stop this guy because I don't know if uh, I don't know. Okay, now, now next, let's see. So this plan, I need to put something here. I've still not done this.